tissue culture in plants at the growing tips of roots and shoots or buds. Special cells are present which you have studied in class 7th also. These cells, they have ability to divide and we call them as meristematic cells. Now they have ability to give rise to whole new plant when they are grown on a suitable growth or artificial cultural medium. And this technique of growing tissues, that is meristematic tissues in growth medium to give rise to new plants, that is called as tissue culture or micro propagation. In this technique, the tissues which are used, they are called as explants. So, from the tips of the shoots or roots, some part of the plant tissue is removed. They are washed properly and then they are sterilized, and after that they are transferred into artificial growth medium which contain plant hormones. But plant hormones, they are required for the growth of the plant parts. Auxin and cytokinin, these are the two plant growth hormone which are present in this growth medium. Auxin help in the formation of roots and cytokinin, it helps in the formation of shoot. So explant means the part of the tissue which is taken for this technique, that is called as explant. It is transferred into growth medium containing plant hormones. There, in the presence of those plant hormones, these tissues, they divide number of times to produce undifferentiated mass of cells, and that is called as callus. Now this callus is then transferred into another medium where it forms roots and shoots. When these roots and shoots attain a specific size or a proper size, then they are taken out from this and transferred to the soil where they are studied, and when they are developed properly, they are shifted into the fields. So this technique, it involves a very much scientific approach and it allows rapid production of disease free high quality plants in large numbers. By this method, disease free plants can be produced from the plant affected by viruses. Fruits, plants, ornamental plants and plants used in forestry, they are propagated or they are developed by this method. After this, we are going to start with sexual reproduction in plants.